Good morning, everybody. What's going on? What is going on, everyone? All right, let's start off the day. Good morning, Tommy Me. What's happening? Sorry about the intro. I'm gonna stop with this. This was the last time this week. Okay, what a drop yesterday. We cannot go by. I mean, we cannot go next to this one. What just happened? Look at this. Look at this. This was the biggest I've seen so far. That's what she said, right? So, actually, the top of yesterday, Thursday high, all the way. Of course, it was 1,000 points, guys. Dark cloud. 1,000 points. Look at this. From the high of yesterday to the low of yesterday. I mean, according to midnight. I mean, Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time. It's 1,000 points. Never seen bigger. The price. Yeah. So this was huge. That's what she said, right? Rich Goodwin, what's happening? This was the biggest one I've seen so far. Okay. Well, but quite interesting. 1,000 points all the way. Naomi, good morning. All right. Jokes aside, there are ladies here. Let's see. So after this huge drop, I don't even know what to do. We took out sell side liquidity from July the 13th, which was Tuesday, right? This Tuesday. Yeah, it was this Tuesday. Good morning, Ashevs. So we took out that level. And what else? This was Tuesday. I'm gonna put a line there because I want to see how far we went from the low of that. Sell side liquidity 725. Okay. All right. All right, 600. Yeah, we took that. And Asia low was 686. Simeon, good morning. And if you notice, we retrace back to 50% of that movement. We did. Which did we go back? No, we didn't. Did we? Which movement? Did we retrace back some? I mean, if I look at maybe at the daily. Oh, the daily. You're saying the daily? This drop? Actually, we went up to the 61.8 and even higher. I'm not sure if that's what you're... But we did retrace back quite a lot. Or let's look at the recent drop. Maybe this is what you're saying. The recent drop. Kevin, good morning, Kevin H. And Parminder, hey, this is tricky. I was expecting that low to hold. Yeah, I think everybody was expecting something different. I mean, these are the things that are absolutely unexpected. You just can't do anything with it. Yeah, you're right. The recent drop. Sorry, Tomimi. Yeah. First, yeah, I see. This recent drop, 50% level. 50% level right here from the recent drop. Now, this is interesting, and this level is holding, by the way. It's not all that accurate, but it's somewhere around 800 or 802-ish area. J-Ho, welcome. Good to see you, man. How's it going? No trades for me tonight. We have non-farm payroll. Oh, yeah. So you have to be careful, guys. Non-farm payroll, I don't know. You know, that's going to definitely shake the markets. So the market open, I mean, the stock exchange open at 9:30 is definitely going to be interesting after the non-farm payroll number. I do think we want to drop some more. Yeah, I think so too. I think now everybody wants that long, like really want to go and see this going higher. And just like Tommy said, you know, we were hovering at this 50% level on this latest drop. It's holding price so far, and we have Asia low. Asia low right there, which is previous day low. And let's look to the left a little bit. What do we have? We took out that one. Did we took out? Yeah, we even took out that one. So we took out quite a few levels. What's the next level? Next level is down at 502. I think it can continue to drop all the way down there. 500s. Anyway, obviously we're just guessing here. Been scalping the 745 going up. Nice. Let's go, Dark Cloud. Yeah, welcome everybody. Hansen, good to see you, man. How's it going? Rivis, good to see you. Where have you been? Where have you been, Rivis? I was missing you. New month, yeah. Yeah, July was profitable. I finally, after the long struggle, I managed to get payout from Bulenox, and my first payout from Apex, it's already pending, so who knows if it's gonna get approved. But my first ever payout with Apex, finally. So maybe I hope that slowly I'm gonna get the grip on this one and building up my funded accounts as well. 18,483 is a swing low on weekly, might be the target. Yeah, could be. So don't forget the 500. It's a recent swing low if you look to the left on the 4-hour. So Congo, hey there, good morning, nice to see you too. Guys, I hope everybody survived yesterday. I wasn't trading in the New York, a little bit in the AM session. Yesterday I made the 8-hour stream, I think, or 9 hours, I don't even know. That was a long one. Simon, good to see you. What's happening? Liquidity is building up below current price according to Bookmap. Oh, really? I haven't checked on Bookmap that, but one thing though, I must say this. You know, guys, I like order blocks. This is not a perfect one, but it did took liquidity. So let's not forget that we do have an order block. And you know, I always measure it from the body of the candle all the way to the high if it's a bearish order block. So let me put this here. It's not going to be super accurate, but that is a 15-minute bearish order block. So yesterday the I told you level didn't work, so I own that. But I'm not sure. So this is still a good target if it wants to break higher. It's up at 882. Obviously it can move because the momentum is still here, so it can do it. I'm not saying in London, but don't forget that that's a 15-minute bearish order block. Otherwise, almost relative equal highs at the 802 level. So gonna be interesting. If we go down to the 5-minute, the 5-minute, this candle did not manage to break the high, and I would say, what could be the Asia high here? Well, this one, yeah, somewhere here. So I would put, it's not accurate, but I would put the 952 levels as Asia highs. But it's not accurate. So anyway, it did not take this high, managed to go back down, swept some liquidity, keeps going lower. The spread is insane on NQ 3 points. Let me check on Quant Tower. Uh-oh, looks like it's going lower. I don't know. What's the spread? I don't even know how to check it. I have to put on some lines here. Settings, visual trading, view, scroll vertical. I don't know how to check the spread on Quant Tower. Anyway, I'm not gonna waste my time right now. I don't know how to check the spread on Quant Tower, but everything seems okay here. I'm gonna delete this line. So it seems like it still wants to drop relative equal lows at 18. You know, if anybody wants to go crazy. It's down there, yeah. It could take that out. Not sure though. Oh yeah, I'm on EST. I'm on Eastern Standard Time. Also, if you look at here, at the bottom of the stream, it says New York, and my charts and everything is set to Eastern Standard Time because, you know, guys, like ICT says, I'm trading according to Eastern Standard Time. So everything has been set to Eastern Standard, although at my time it's 8:12. But I always leave this clock here, or this timer, or whatever it's called, just to let you guys know I'm on Eastern Standard Time when I trade. Your PC is set to Eastern. Oh, your PC is set to Eastern Standard. All right. Okay. Then it's not only me. Now my PC is set to. I mean, it's not. But for the stream, I always leave this down here, so everything is based on Eastern Standard Time. All right. Let's see. At the moment for spread 0.50. Yeah, it should not be 3 points. Mamba Fox Trades. Hello. What's happening? How's it going? How's it going? Good to see everybody here. Welcome. I might not be able to trade the New York AM session. I'm not sure. I'll see, because I'm invited to a wedding. So we're gonna go to a wedding today, and I think we have to go. I mean, I think I'm not gonna be here in the New York AM session today. Maybe at the start of the kill zone a little bit. I don't know, but maybe not at the market open. Actually, I'm 90% sure I'm not gonna be here at the market open, but it should be fun. It should be fun. So that's why I'm saying be careful. All right. This one took liquidity here. Let's see what it does. Might want to go higher, who knows? At this point, it's hard to tell, but I like these highs at 82. It's repricing this small gap. It has an inversion gap. Feels quite bullish, to be honest. Feels like it wants to take out, what's the high, 82? Could be. Was a nice inversion gap, right? Flat tops on these candles. Good target to try to take out once more the relative equal highs. Anyway, let's wait. If it wants to go up there, then it will go. And do we have some news in the London Open? Swiss franc, CPI, in about 14 minutes. Otherwise, nothing special. Suarez, good morning. What's happening? We have the VWAP up there. Also, all right, we'll see. We'll see what it does. A nice 5-minute hammer. Let's see. Hammer. Oh, yeah. So these candles are, yeah. So strong push to the opposite way, but also these long wicks sooner or later like to be taken out, you know. So these are also targets. For example, in this case, can also go higher. Who knows? But it does have some resistance. It seems like it. Anyway, price just stopped here, and so this is so far all I think is happening. It could be dropping down. We're in the middle of this whole congestion area or zone or whatever it's called. And it can just drop down all the way. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. And by the way, just saying, the Bulenox 90% sale is back for another 10 days. Totally surprised. Good morning, Yodeget. Good morning, Zoltan. Out of surprise, 90% sale continues for another week or so. I don't even know, something like that. Apex extended 80% sale, so it came totally out of the blue. Never expected this to happen, but it happened. So the sale continues. Okay. All right, all right. I'm curious what this one wants to do. NQ just got unplugged officially. So, all right, new 5-minute candle. Let's see if we get anything. It's just unplugged totally. Whoa. This birdie is really loud. All right, let's just wait for what it wants to do. I have no entry for now because we are clearly in the middle of a congestion area. I would not like to take a position until I don't see some cleaner direction to break higher or lower or whatever. We have some targets. If it tries to break up for the VWAP or the 15-minute bearish order block, I might consider to do something. Otherwise, I'm still gonna wait and see. 5-minute is just totally indecisive. 15-minute as well. It could be just ranging like this until the numbers. So consolidation all day, guys, until NFP comes out. I don't know. If it wants to drop, it should go through the 718. Yeah, somewhere down or down to the 20. It can also drop, like everybody expecting this to go higher, right? So what if, you know, this level, this 50% retracement level was holding it so much that it's just gonna say like, you know what? I'm just gonna go down and keep on dropping. Why not? You know, super easy. Why not? Doesn't even have to go too much. Dynasty, good morning. And Bob is here. Welcome, guys. Best DJ in town. Good to see everybody. Good morning. I got 3 hours drive, so I will be listening. All right, man. Thank you. Drive safely. All right. Well, not much to see, by the way, guys. So, I mean, this morning is going to be one of those mornings where I think price is just going to consolidate after that huge move yesterday, like 1,000 points from the high to the low. That was insane. Absolutely insane drop in one day. Like, that was absolutely insane. And I feel like because everybody wants to go long, it could still squeeze the longs here. I mean, especially after the drop in Asia session. What if there's going to be one more squeeze? The 50% level held price pretty good. So, yeah, what a day yesterday. I was saying 4 weeks up, 4 weeks down. Yeah, Nasdaq can do all crazy stuff. But yeah, Good morning, Ati. Jó reggelt. Welcome. Fellow Hungarian trader. You're Hungarian, right? Good morning. You guys starting to learn Hungarian, maybe. I don't know. Trader Monk, good morning. I know you are Hungarian. What's happening? Well, yesterday's level didn't really work out for me. I mean, I was expecting to go to 19,692. Instead, it's just one of the biggest tanks or tanking in Nasdaq since quite a while. Interesting. Interesting drop, to say the least. So anyway, we still have the Asia low, but if you look to the higher time frame, 4 hour, daily, whatever, and you look to the left, there's really nothing. I mean, the only level I see is like somewhat a bigger level is the 18,502. So the 18,500s, that could be a possible target, but I mean, I don't know. It's like really, really crazy. And we're going lower. Wants to take out maybe the Asia lows. So I was having a yesterday, you guys remember maybe I have smoked a my funded futures evaluation account for the daily loss limit. And so here's the account today. So yesterday I went down to 40 because it was already up. So I went down to like 49,200. And today I was not gonna lie, I was YOLOing with some minis, so managed to bring that back. So yesterday's account, guys, it's officially saved. All right. So yesterday I went crazy at the start of the stream. I smoked this account, but now it's saved. Look at that. We're going down to 686. Wow. Mm-mm. 102 contracts set just below the Asia low, then nothing. Yeah, these contracts are just keep on coming and going, disappearing and whatever, you know. Lewis Arnold, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. I would say you the man, but it's not what I say. I would just say thank you for joining. Welcome. Welcome to the channel. That's Methodical Man's phrase, so I'm not going to say that. Welcome, welcome. Seek and destroy is possibility after, after a big move like that, we can expect to seek and destroy. Although right now, it pretty much seems like that, you know, the market wants to squeeze everybody who's holding a long position, especially after this drop. I mean, I'm suggesting that many traders from the Asia session, you know, saw this drop. And now, you know, during this accumulation phase, like everybody just said, all right, F it, you know, it has to go back. Oops. Where is it? It has to go back. So now everybody was waiting for it. And the market said, nah, no, guys, no, we need some more liquidity. So if that's the scenario, then the market should be squeezing everybody below 686. Oh, thank you, Jeho. Thank you. So, got that drop done for the week. Boss said, congratulations, dude. I don't know. I remember the other day you said, like, you just come here, you caught the drop, and you know, just finish up. That's how every trading day should be, man. You know, just make the profit, take the profit, and that's it. Done for the day. Done for the week, actually, yes. By the way, if any one of you guys, you know, made some good profits for the week, hopefully you did, or maybe made some good trades in the London session until NFP or whatever, I would say, because this is NFP, don't give it back to the market. The best thing, guys, trust me, your weekend would be, I mean, not that I'm a super guru or whatever, but your weekend, I'm talking from experience, your weekend will be much better, would be way better. Even if you don't do anything today and you made some profits throughout the week, you're gonna have an awesome weekend if you don't do anything. So today, especially at NFP. So I am not going to touch my funded accounts today. No way. I'm not going to screw up my weekend. I'm in profit in all of my funded accounts. So I'm gonna build them up slowly. I made huge mistakes. I have to journal now, and you know, I have to make some video updates. I'm way behind schedule with my updates. I can't do the daily updates because one, it's boring. Second, it's not much to talk about in one given day, but maybe I'll do, I don't know. But I have to do video updates anyway. I'm not going to screw up my weekend if I lose on my funded accounts, and that's what I would tell you guys too. Don't trade on funded accounts on NFP Friday. All right. But anyway, it's up to you. Make the profit, then escape, or you gave it back. Exactly, Bassett. Instead of you the man with egészségedre. Oh yeah, egészségedre. That would work. Sorry, I'm gonna say egészségedre. Although it's a little bit, you know, maybe I come up with some Hungarian phrase. Yeah. So now I would not go long until, I mean, I would be scared to go long at this level. You're right at, you know, look at that. Almost down to Asia low. Be careful if you're scalping this. This can go absolutely nuts. If this one fails. And by the way, let me just tell you guys that Fast Track Trading is offering instant funded accounts, and I also applied for funded accounts. I mean, I'm super happy about it. There are some codes, and woodwork, yeah. So there are some good codes. There's the B5Go code. If you buy 5, you get 1 for free, or the FTT_30 code gives you 30% off and instantly funded, guys. In no evaluation phase. You're straight on the funded account, end of day trailing. I'm gonna be doing a video about them because I think they're doing something new in the market, and I think there's a huge demand from traders for an instant funded account. I know it's a little bit more expensive, but for example, the 25K account with the discount code is like, how much is that? $125, 130, something like that. Yeah, 25Ks. There you go, Rich Goodwin. So, And if you buy the buy 5 get 1 free code, you're gonna pay I mean altogether it's like $600-ish, but one account is gonna cost you $105 for each account, and it's going to be funded. So you're gonna have 6 accounts that are funded instantly. Boom, there you go. 20% consistency rule, but I think it's more than enough. It's way more than enough. It's more than you need. 20% is perfectly enough for consistency on an instant funded account. So you're fine. And I think it's one of the biggest deals. So anyone, I know I'm shilling it right now because I think it's a great opportunity for traders who don't want to waste time on evaluation accounts. So if you guys are interested, click on my link. It's in the chat. Streamlabs is spamming it somewhere, or in the description down below. You know, if you click on my link before you register or purchase the account, I would be grateful, because that gives some credit to the stream. But yeah, 25K, 20% is plenty. Yeah. Any buffer zone on funded? Yeah, the regular, Tamimi. You have, I'm not sure about the exact numbers because I'm still digging into the fine print. I'm also quite new with them, but I think the usual numbers as it goes with the Apex or whatever. So $2,500 on a 50K. 1,500 I think on the 25K account. So the usual, and end of day trailing, not intraday. Also, one good thing, yeah, it doesn't accept it. They're going to accept credit card next week or the middle of August. They said they're going to be accepting credit card right now, but the price is going to go higher. From the moment then they're accepting credit card, the price is going to go higher. Right now you can bank wire them the money and it's cheaper right now, but it's said that as soon as they get the credit card payments, the prices are going to go a little bit higher. And next from September they're going to add TradeAway too, and this month right now they have Rhythmic, so you can trade NinjaTrader and Quantower and all the usual stuff. No commissions. Yeah. You use Wise debit card? I'm doing wire transfer regular from my bank. So, but I heard that if you use Wise, it gets there faster because they have some Wise account. I'm not sure. I heard something about that. It gets there faster. And when do you have to spend 1K in one transaction on credit cards? I don't know what's going to be the real price after that digital. No discount for CC user. I don't know the final. All that said is the credit card payments are going to be a little bit more expensive. I don't know. That's all that said. Yeah, NinjaTrader is not supported. Why the hell not? If they have Rhythmic connections, then they should be able to connect. NinjaTrader should be able to connect to Rhythmic. You have to go with Rhythmic, and NinjaTrader is able to connect through Rhythmic. You just have to go to the settings. It was last year when I traded NinjaTrader, but I know it's somewhere in the options, general options. You have to add external server or whatever, custom server, and you can add your Rhythmic credentials, and it's going to connect. NinjaTrader can, yeah. NinjaTrader can connect. You just have to select Rhythmic, paper trading, whatever, in the connections. I don't remember. I was trading last year with Ninja through Rhythmic. Can we withdraw from Apex in cryptocurrency? No, you can't, Parmin there. Turn them down? I don't know. Rumors are all around. I don't know if they got turned down or not. So anyway, but you know, it's going to be interesting if we have a prop firm that offers instant funded accounts. By the way, look at this. It's a possible long position, fair value gap displacement. Here's the fair value gap that just got repriced here. And I'm not jumping into this because we have Asia low here. But if you want to jump in, you can also target these highs up there. You know, so it's a possible long opportunity. So this was a bear trap. and now they're just going to deliver to the upside. We might be just going to be trading at this inside range, internal range, sorry. So yeah, 3 minute short from 745. 745. Okay, you're good. You're good. TP was 700 where a decent order was placed. Yeah, 700. Oh, you took the 700, dude. That's a nice trade. Yeah, they extended Sorel. Apex extended the sale for another week or something. It's trapped since we had Asia low now being attacked. Yeah, it could be. And look at these flat candles on the 1 minute to the left. These candles usually like to get taken out. Oops, this is not the one I wanted. These candles usually like to get taken out. Now, I'm not saying that's the ultimate target, but you know, those levels, especially when there is a internal range trading, you know, just an educated guess, nothing more. But this gap now is, I don't know how far it's gonna hold. Or this was the bull trap. After work. Thank you, Zoltan, for being here. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day. Oh, sorry, Tom, if I buy 5 accounts with your code, I get 6 accounts. Yes, but you have to write the code, Albert. You have to write B5GO. So B as B, 5 as the number 5. So 5, B5GO. And before you purchase, just to make, I mean, you can click on my link when you go to the web shop before you purchase or register. And B5GO gives you the extra 1 account for free. So for $620, you get 6 funded accounts, 6 25K instant funded accounts, which is a good price. $625. So yeah, I think that's the final price for it. 6 instant funded accounts. It's B5GO. I haven't wrote it up there, but yeah, it's the cheapest instant funded account in the market, I'm telling you. So you long copper? Let's go, Pablo. Entry at 4.08, take profit 1 taken, and stop break even. Let's go, Pablo. Money for the Fridays. Make the money, take the money, you know, Pablo. I don't know what to think of this move right now. I may have to wait until London to see what's going on. I feel like if I jump into a long now, it can be a little bit risky. Although, maybe I can risk it for the biscuit, for the stream, you know. Let's see. You know, with 2 micros, if it goes down, you know, worst case scenario, I can... hold on. Apex... All right, I can take it actually. I think I can take it from here. How about that? And the stop would be at 695. 695. Oh, that's a little bit lower. $696.50. If it goes down, and if it goes up, 780.25. Terrible risk to reward ratio on my end, but I took a small trade with 2 micros. Terrible entry. I caught this move right at the top of this, so 730.50 is my entry. only with 2 micros on an evaluation account, so nothing fancy. Let's see if this one wants to take out that 780. If it goes down, I'm perfectly fine with it. Let me show you the trade. Where is it? Okay, this is it. So I'm perfectly fine with it. On the 1 minute. There you go. And if it trades lower, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my stop loss here just to minimize the loss, because if it trades down there, it's obviously going to go for the Asia low. So this is a very high risk trade, super risky. I'm doing it only on evaluation right now with 2 micros, and this account is actually a fairly new Apex evaluation account. Here it is, already in drawdown, of course, as usual. Not gonna go crazy with this, but yeah. Let's see. Bro, why not just focus on A1 setup? I'm focusing on A1 setups. I'm not, so absolutely right, 6 millibands. I'm focusing. Let me just tell you, I mean, I know what you're trying to say, but I'm not touching my funded accounts, so that's focusing on the setup. For example, I would not take this trade on my funded account. I would not. But I consider this evaluation account, or in this example, many of these evaluation accounts, like a little bit of a forward testing to see if I have some good entries, to see how I manage the trades. But this trade, I would not take it on a funded account. So I am focusing on the A+ setups. But I said this morning, I am not going to take anything on the funded accounts. No way I'm touching the funded accounts on NFP Friday. There's no way. I burned myself so many times. I'm just doing evaluations on NFP Friday. Do you have a Rhythmic account before purchasing? No, you don't have to, but they're going to give you credentials, Rhythmic logins. You don't have to have any of those. When you purchase the accounts, they're going to email you the details. So, Louis, it's perfectly fine. Let's go. So yeah, Don Tutton, Rhythmic does work with Ninja, but you also need a Ninja license. Apex provides one, but FTT does not. Oh yeah. Why not? They don't? FTT does not provide NinjaTrader license? How the heck not? That's weird. There has to be a way to log in. I know somebody, I mean, told me. or you can use Quantower, right? Support just said NT8 doesn't work. Oh, dude, Aaron. Thank you for saying that, because so then Quant Tower should be working. I mean, one of these has to work. I have to check them right now. Hold on. Monthly, instant fun. Yeah, all right. Quant Tower platform. How many accounts? Platforms. Presently, Rhythmic compatible platforms are available. Quant Tower, Rhythmic Trader Pro, ATAS, Bookmap, Sierra Charts. Okay, so you have to go with Quant Tower then. Quant Tower, Rhythmic Trader Pro, Sierra Charts, those are pretty much popular. Sorry about that. It was a mistake. I was not trading with NinjaTrader since last year, so I wasn't sure. But they said the other day on Discord that they're gonna have trade await as well. Hey Dominic, what's happening? Good to see you. But you can still use Quant Tower like this one. See the link I sent for official support platform. I sent for official fast supported platforms. Oh, I don't see the link because YouTube chat is not letting you guys to post links. Only me or administrators can post. But here's the. I'm gonna copy what they said. Just a second. Just a second. I'm gonna make this right. Just give me a moment. Everything is cool. Everything is right. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so this is what they wrote. Rhythmic compatible platforms are available. Quant Tower, Rhythmic Trader Pro, ATS, Bookmap, Sierra Charts. We are working diligently to bring additional tools to our platform as soon as possible, such as TradingView, TradeAwait, and NinjaTrader. Alright, so I was wrong. I apologize. I wasn't sure because I wasn't checking on NinjaTrader recently. So all right. I mean, despite the fact that I entered to this trade, it doesn't mean it's going to go up there. This could be a trap. This could be just, you know, squeezing everybody out. We have London open in about 5 minutes. This is a good platform for me. It's working nice. There you go. TradeAwait owns NT8, so probably both come together. Yeah, it should be. NinjaTrader owns TradeAwait. Yeah, I knew that NinjaTrader owns TradeAwait. They bought them a few years ago, I think. Hope NQ is done going down for now a bit. Well, if you look at a little bit higher time frame, for example, the 5-minute, it's obvious that we are in the Tom Sabo box, right? I'm gonna have to charge license fees from Methodical Man and others. So we are in the box right now, and as long as we're in the box, and it's not the idiot box, whatever. As long as we're in this range, you know, who knows, the Asia lows can be still intact. Look at that. I'm going to be shaking out from this position. Oh, look at this. But I thought that, you know, those candles up there are a good target. They might get taken out, maybe not in this move. So first, you know, this move comes down, takes out everybody. And maybe a little bit later, boom, you know, that could be happening. But my Bulenox account, my From the Futures account, which I abused yesterday, some of you guys have seen it, today is back in the green. So yesterday I went down to the daily loss limit. Today is back up, I don't know how much, 1,000, and how much is that? Almost 300, 1,280-ish in profit. So back to the green. Back to the green. That's 100 points. Yeah, that's a 100 points box. But after yesterday's 1,000 points drop, well, I think there's still a lot to go. I mean, this is after yesterday's 1,000 points, you know, being in a 100-point box is, you know, it's something that can happen. I think. But yeah. By the way, I haven't really asked you guys if it's disturbing to you if I switch all the time between trading view charts and Quant Tower. Maybe I should just stick with Quant Tower and do the markups on my Quant Tower chart. But I do like trading view for charting because it's much easier to use. Look at that. So but Quant Tower charts are also very good. But it's a little bit, not saying more difficult, but in a way, yes. It's a little bit, TradingView is more user-friendly when it comes to marking charts. All right, I'm going to get taken out here. Sorry. We're going down to 86. Yeah, I put my stop loss tighter on this because if we trade below 707, obviously we're gonna go lower to the 686. Yeah, I got taken out. I just got taken out. So London Open might squeeze all the longs. You do you. All right. Good morning, Marco. What's going on? We're going down, man. Look at this. Market is about to open in 20 something seconds. 20 seconds. Oh yeah, it's going. I don't even know if I should enter to any trades at the market open. Seems like we're gonna squeeze lower. Maybe or not. We have the low at 86. Anything can happen, I guess. Repricing this 1 minute gap could be a possible short entry. I don't know. Or maybe everybody wants to go short and is gonna squeeze every short now. Now that the market open. I don't know what to do. I guess I'm just gonna wait for price to show something. If it starts to trade, you know, above 46, then pretty high chance that we're gonna go and maybe take out the 68-ish area. But we're very close to Asia low, so I wouldn't be surprised if, yeah, you know, we go down. Goes more downside, yeah. Yo, Abs, what's happening, yo? Good to see you back. How was your yesterday? How was your yesterday, man? I'm going to wait for the market to either take out the 686 level or trade above like the 47-ish or 50 level. I'm going to wait for the reaction. Seems like it might want to go. Or even, don't forget it, guys, just go to the 4-hour or the daily chart, whatever, and we have a level at 18,500. So what if the drop continues? Don't forget it, guys. What if the drop is going to continue all the way lower down there? Don't forget it. It can go super easy. Super easy. Or it can form a double bottom here. And, you know, squeeze everybody all the way up there. Made 1K? Nice, let's go, Abs. Try to aim 1K a day. 1K a day? I mean, dude, I hope I wish you all the best with it. I just to confirm, this 10-day trading cycle is I only made 2.4K, but from my previous 10-day trading I made like 10K, which got denied for payout. I can still withdraw. Yes, because you have the threshold. Yeah, we talked about this, and you can withdraw. Yes, absolutely. I know what you're asking. And yes, I mean, what's the account size again? It's 50K, or there's a withdrawal cap per each withdrawal on Apex. Is it a 50K, 100K, 150K? I forgot that. Maybe you said it already, because there is a withdrawal cap per each withdrawal. Basset, you know, between me and you, Basset, you said you're done for the week. What the hell is going on, Basset? You should be enjoying your weekend already. What is going on, man? This is not what we talked about, you know. 250. All right, so you can absolutely. I'm sorry, I just forgot because everybody, I mean, so many numbers. Rules breaking. All right, that's it. I think it was what was the reason? Yesterday, news trading. Tom Guru. I'm your coach here, Bassett. I'm the coach. You said you're done for the week, and yet here you are pushing that freaking button there. All right. Just telling you, you got lucky this time, all right? I hope you put that freaking trade to break even, Bassett. Got in with one mini at 740 for a short at 740. All right, it's official, guys. Simon in the background. You know, I imagine this guy. Simon is sitting in the background. You know, I'm struggling here, you know, taking some losses, you know, people are waiting for some entries. And Simon in the background is sitting, holding his one mini from 740. And just like that, he slams it in the chat. Hey guys, I'm holding it from 740, you know. Like a pro. Congratulations. Congratulations. He's in the background. Simon is lurking. I can imagine like he sits in his chair, you know, Simon like, you know, this guy, you know, is taking 2 micros long, you know. Just wait till we get down to 686. I'm going to tell this guy, hey, I'm holding it. And that's how he does it, you know. He rubs it under my nose. All right, took the same. And Asheb's also pretending like he's like I love Asheb's. He's a cool guy. So I love all of you guys. Asheb's is like a pro. You know, just like that, you know, booyah. From the other end of the table, Asheb's is like I also hold that trade. So, and just like that, my reputation is down the drain. That's it. This kind of move can be traded if just 20 ticks. Yeah, exactly. It's just because of you. All right. I'm actually that time got 20 ticks already. Oh, all right. Have you too? All right. Tapped it out, then went back into the chart. I can imagine, yeah. By the way, nice trades, guys. I can imagine how this works. I know how. You guys ever seen that movie Focus with Will Smith and Margot Robbie? Margot? Do they say the T at the end? Margot Robbie. Margot Robbie and Will Smith. Focus. It's like it was a few years ago, like 7 or 8 years ago. That movie. And there's a scene when they do the bet on the player number, you know, down at the field. I'm not sure if you guys saw the movie. And there's a scene where Will Smith is, yeah, the con man. He's doing the con man. So Will Smith is, you know, taking the bets, and he keeps on losing on the football field. And there's that scene. I really like the camera and then the whole scene. Like Will Smith is losing the bet on and on, every bet, one after each other. I'm not gonna spoiler what's happening, but he's losing the bets, and the camera is just blurring out, like woo. And then Will Smith comes back from the blur, like, no, one more bet, just one more, double down, like let's do it. Now we do the same in trading, I guess. Even if we win, even if we lose, go check out that movie if you haven't already. I think it's a great movie. It's a popcorn movie, so you watch it once and that's it. But it's a good one. Erkan, good morning. Yesterday bias was good for me. I did say it is reacting nicely of that. Oh yeah. Yeah, you absolutely talked about that. Abs was talking about that level. Anyway, now that we have taken out this, what is going to happen now? What is going to happen? I wonder, because I have no freaking idea. I think, you know, we might have a chance to go long. We just might. I don't know. But we might have a chance. You know, there are some highs. Let's check the 5 minute. Oh, actually the 5 minute looks ugly. So ugly. The problem is I don't like when there's too many wicks up here. That tells me, if there, we see too many wicks, that there is high resistance up here. Yeah, high resistance. Fair value gap here, which could be a good target actually. Yeah, whatever. This fair value gap was holding price, sent it lower. But I still don't know. 675 is your TP. You're greedy, man. You should have closed it. Anyway, I'm not saying what you should do, but man. All right, 675. All right. Can you clarify before I buy account from Bulenox? Clarify what account is 90% and what is the lifetime price for each account? Okay, so the 90% sale is for option 1 accounts only at Bulenox. Option 1 accounts is the copycat of Apex, basically. Intraday trailing, no daily loss limit, $2,500 of threshold, 40% consistency on the funded account. No consistency on the evaluation, but their minimum trading days is 5. But you can pass it in 1 day, but you have to flip the account for 4 days. So I know it's a stupid rule, but it is what it is. So basically it's a copycat like for Apex. And it's lifetime, which means, of course, if you don't pass it in 30 days, you're going to get rebilled every single month. Right now it's $17.50 for 1 month. So I think it's currently one of the cheapest, if maybe the cheapest upfront cost futures evaluation account in the market. So you're gonna get rebilled. Now, if you blow the account, I would suggest, I always say this because we never know when the 90% sale ends or comes back. I would suggest to keep the subscription, because if the account is blown and you're gonna get rebilled in the next month, you're gonna get reset. So the automatic reset comes with the rebill. So, and for the same cheap price, all right? Second distribution lag maybe then. And for the option 2 accounts, yeah, exactly, Bassett. We do have SMTES to cut low, but NQ doesn't know. Oh yeah, I don't really trade the SMT, but okay, it could be happening. Yeah, Bulenox option 1 account is the same. Now option 2 account is more expensive. Right now the Tom Sabo 2 code gives you a 45% discount, but it's expensive. I mean, more expensive upfront because it's end of day trailing. It has a daily loss limit, which is $1,100, and that's it. End of day trailing is obviously a little bit more expensive. And the daily loss limit is a soft breach, so you don't lose the whole account. It's the copycat of Top Step, basically. Ooh, wow, what the hell? What was it? What was this? Some news came out, I guess. No news. All right, maybe somebody was talking. All right, Simon, I think you're out from the trade. You should be. There was an ad. What's the... Yeah, the lifetime fee is $17. So not 17, only $17.50 for the option 1 accounts. The option 2 account is more expensive. It's like $90 or $95 per month, but it has option 2. I mean, it has the end of day trailing and intraday and daily loss limit also. Option 1 is the copycat of Apex. Option 2 is the copycat of Top Step, basically, with a little bit bigger threshold. That's the reset is if you want to reset, the reset, I don't even know how much is the reset. It's like $40 or 30. I'm not sure. You know what? You know why? Because if I blow a Bulenox account, I don't reset, because just buying a new account is cheaper than resetting the account. Just saying, if you still in the sale period. So if there's still a sale, I know that buying a new account is cheaper than resetting. All right. I have to check the reset price. Hold on. Just a second. $78. There you go. So you don't want to reset. $78. You don't want to reset. You want to cancel the account and buy a new one. Don't ask me why is this like this. I don't know. You're cheaper if you buy a new account. Payout rule is now the only downside. I wouldn't say downside, but the only down with Bulenox is the payout. The minimum threshold you have to leave on the account for a 50K account is $2,600. That's the bare minimum you have to leave it on the account. Now you can withdraw up, above the threshold, but the minimum withdrawal amount is $1,000. So that means you have to build up the account to $3,600 to take your first payout, which is the minimum of $1,000, and you are required to leave the $2,600 on the account. Now you can take out the safety threshold, but you only get 40% of the safety threshold. But then you have to close the account. So if you want to withdraw the safety threshold, Bulenox is going to keep 60%, and you're going to get 40%, but the account is going to get closed. Okay, so that's the main thing. TP hit and destroyed. Should have held. Yeah. So that's the thing. You have to build a little bit more profit with Bulenox. It's not impossible. You can actually do it. It's not a big deal, and you can choose to withdraw everything, but the safety threshold, you're only going to get 40% from the safety threshold. Rip buyers, yeah. Then buy another one, yeah. That's why I always bought another. Yeah, if you blow the account, I always do it with Bulenox. I have like 60 evaluation account already. 60. I'm at number 60. Let me check which number I am right now. With Bulenox, I'm at number, sorry, not 60, 80. 80. I'm number 80. So let me add this. I always buy at the 90% sale. So that's like 80 times 17.50. I already spent $1,400 with Bulenox for evaluation accounts. $1,400. So I'm obviously in the negative territory. I've spent $1,400, and currently I think this is my 8th or 9th funded accounts with them. I have currently, I don't know how many, I have like 4 or 5, and more evaluations already passed. So Looking at my charts, looks like going to go down to this. Yeah, I think we're gonna go down to 500 if it continues like this. It's gonna go down to 502. Anyway, by the way, guys, please help out the stream by pushing the like button. We're almost at 2,800. So let's get that 6 subscribers and push the like button. Thank you, guys. Only need 6 subs to reach that 2,800. It would be so awesome. So sorry, no, I may not have heard you because... Oh! That is the lifetime activation fee. The lifetime activation fee is $148 for the 50K. Actually, let me show you. No problem there, Abs. Bulenox activation fee. You know, Google is our friend in this case. And here you go. Activation fees. The $25,000 account is $143. The 50K account, 148. I would not go higher than 100K with Bulenox. The lifetime activation fee, currently there's a sale at Apex, but without the sale, it's similar to Apex. I think Apex says $230 or something like that for the 100K account. But don't go higher than 100K with Bulenox, in my opinion. Because, or maybe if you want to, you can, but I mean, if there's no other choice. But the 150K lifetime activation fee is $500, and the 250K is an insane $900 lifetime activation fee. It's insane. So obviously the best accounts would be the 25K, the 50K, and maybe the 100K. So these are the ones that I would go with Bulenox. Higher, it's super expensive to activate. So it's obviously, I think they should do something with these activation fees. They would be getting much more customers, I think. But these are the accounts. Obviously, the optimal is the 50K, I think, with them. That's what I think. Is there a discount on those? No, no discount on the activation fee. Not yet, that we know of. Is there an option to pay monthly? No. Only Apex has the monthly $85 activation fee. Bulenox only has lifetime activation. So TopStep gives you $149 activation fee. Bulenox gives you $148 activation. Yeah, so talking about activation fees and everything, the cheapest one in the markets right now is My Funded Futures. Up there, $76 including activation fee, but that's a monthly fee. 70 with the discount code Tom Sabo, you know. But $76, that's the cheapest including activation fee. My Funded Futures, you're not going to find cheaper accounts including the activation fee in the futures prop space than My Funded Futures starter account. Actually, My Funded Futures expert account is awesome too. We didn't talk too much about the expert account in the past few weeks, but if you don't want, I mean, if you want the most freedom, then you should go with expert accounts. There's a video I made, you can check it on my channel with My Funded Futures. Check it out. I explained there why the expert accounts are so cool. Richard the Beast, what's happening? Welcome to the channel. We need that 6 subscribers. We need to get to 2,800. What is happening? Come on. So better to go for My Funded Futures or fast track trading. It depends on you. It depends on your experience, on your track record, everything. So with fast track trading, you get a 25K account for $125 with the discount. 50K account you can get for $314, I think, $314 instantly funded. You know, that's the price that you have to pay for instant funded account? Or do you feel that you're skilled enough to be able to bring a My Funded Futures account, even an expert account, to a funded level at least in 60 days? So even if you choose the expert account, you know, if you can do it in 2 months or 60 days, then you're still a little bit cheaper than fast track trading, but it's up to you. It depending on you. I passed the take profit trader 50K yesterday. Wow, Richard, nice. Bought it with the no fee. Oh, nice. But I couldn't make it in a month. Should I have to? But I couldn't make it in a month. Should I have to pay? You don't have to pay. If you bought it in this at the sale period with the no activation fee, then you don't have to pay activation fee. It's lifetime discount. So if any one of you guys bought a take profit trader account when they were doing the no activation fee period, no matter how long it takes for you to pass the account, you're not going to have to pay activation fees. So you should be having the account. If you passed yesterday, then maybe you'll get the email today. So no activation fee, Richard. Can you make a video how to activate Apex account for lifetime? Sure, Parminder. Sure, we can do that. In this case, 25K on good price. Yes, the 25K is on a good price, especially if you buy 5 and get 6 with the B5 Go code. If you buy 5 accounts, you get one for free. You get one for free. So you can get a 25K account for $105 funded, instant funded. How many Apex evals you buy until now? Yeah, I can give you guys the number. If you guys are curious how many Apex accounts I bought until now, so here you go. Currently, I'm at number 46 on the evaluation accounts. Actually, I can show you guys. Here it is. Currently, I'm at number 46 with Apex. And currently, I'm at number 10 on the funded accounts. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 funded accounts currently with Apex. Currently, I have only one evaluation account because I'm gonna buy new ones. These I have new funded accounts. This one has no trade. This one I made 1,000 on this funded account. This other one I'm up 1,200. This one is up for payment 2,673. Hopefully they will pay it. And currently I have one evaluation only. So in this case, I always bought these accounts when there was a sale. So that's important. So on average, I bought these accounts for $33. I'm going to go with 34 times 46. That's 1,000. I spent $1,564, and this includes the resets as well. I mean, I didn't really reset because I always buy a new one. So that's 46, and 10 times I always pay the lifetime activation fee. 10 times $140. Okay, so I'm down about negative $3,000 with Apex so far. I'm going to have my first ever payout, hopefully, this month. So that's going to bring me down to a negative $1,000 with Apex. So I'm going to be still in overall net in the minus, in the negative. But, you know, the goal is to dig myself out of the hole. This is an investment, of course. And that's the goal. So overall 46 evaluation accounts. I've blown a lot, and I have to say that from this 46, there was like at least 15 or 20 that I YOLO'd on stream, you know, on maybe, you know, I did it with Methodical Man on the other week or whatever. So I YOLO'd a few on streams intentionally, but I did fail a lot. But out of 46, I made 10 funded accounts so far. 10 funded accounts so far, which is, if I count the YOLO trades down, it's not such a bad thing considering that I'm just starting out with futures a few months ago. But, you know. Great deal. Komodo, hey there. You're a shoulder to cry because you are here consistently. Good morning, Komodo. What's happening? How you doing? Possible reversal? Could be. Look at the 1 minute. I think it's going to go into that 5 minute gap. It very much looks like it. 709. Look, if you guys want to risk it, you can jump in and target the 5 minute fair value gap from here, 706 to 741. Be careful, guys. I might jump in. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe I jump in. Maybe. You know what? I jumped in. I jumped in, but with micros. Only micros. You know how I am. I'm trading micros. So I'm sorry to disappoint everyone, but I trade micros sometimes. And I know all the pros are trading minis, but I'm just trading micros. Obviously, it should be a scalp trade. If I see this dropping like crazy, I am just going to kill the trade, or am I going to close some portion of it? This is the 1 minute chart. I'm aiming for a liquidity void up there, but I don't think it's going to happen. Maybe it will. That's what I'm aiming for. This is a scalp trade most likely. So let's see. It should get it, right? I hope. Maybe I'm gonna bring it down because the market likes to play with me. And you know, just missed my TP with one tick. Look at that. Look at, I told you guys. I told you it's playing with me. I told you guys it's playing with me. I'm closing it down. F you, market. I don't care. Look at that. It went to my TP, missed it with one tick. And this is, I learned my lesson, guys. This is when I say to the market, all right, F you, market. I'm taking what I can. If you don't want to take my TP, then that's it. Yeah, but there's a small liquidity void. Not that it really matters too much because it's on the micro. But I thought that it's just going to spike into that void just to reprice it just with one single tick. But it didn't do it. So this was a scalp. Not a big one. And now it can just easily go down again. Actually, yeah, it can go down again. Which account was this? Yeah, this was this evaluation I just showed you guys. I'm glad I closed that trade. What's your thoughts about the 150 to 50k Apex account? Worth it? If you trade with bigger size, you know, or you need the bigger cushion to trade with, Erkan, I would say go for it. If you need the bigger room to trade with, I would say why not? you don't have to look at it like it's 150K or a 250K account. So don't look at that. Look at the bigger picture. I mean, how much threshold does the big accounts have? Let me see. Let me check, because I just a second. Okay, so the 150K has a $5,000 threshold. The 250K has a 6,500. So for example, you have to look at it like you're gonna have a $6,500 threshold or leverage, and that's it. That's how I always look at it. So forget about the big number. If you need a bigger cushion to trade with, then obviously it's a good choice. It's depending on your strategy, on your risk tolerance, the position size, or if you're greedier a little bit. It's up to you. It's nothing wrong with trading the big accounts. You just have to, don't get blinded by the big number. Just see that you have $6,500 threshold, and that is what you're trading with. That's it. That's how you have to look at it. And so it's not a bad deal. Who here trades for a living, as in no other job? I'm here to trade for a living, but I don't make the money from the trades itself yet, unfortunately. I'm only able to be here because the help of you guys who are supporting me. So again, thank you so much. And yeah, but I do this full time. I'm here every day. So Dominic, got to go. All right, see you next time. I found 250K is good mentally. All right, then abs. Yeah, that's also a good. Yeah, if it's mentally you feel more comfortable with the bigger threshold to trade with, obviously choose the 250K or anyone. You know. Good morning, Mary. Sorry, I didn't see you there, Mary. Good morning. I just saw the heart. You know, who sent me hearts? Good morning. I'm scrolling all over the chat, up and down, so I might leave out someone. Then whatever strategy a person has, can you also run it on higher time frames? They only don't want to scalp. Yeah, sure. So if you have a good entry model, you can also run it on higher time frames. For some time it was 23 last year, I tried something with FTMO. It didn't work out for me because I don't have the patience for it, but I did journal the setups, and with FTMO I tried to go with only the 4-hour charts as a swing trader, because with FTMO, or obviously with the Forex prop firms, you can hold trades overnight. So I was holding trades on the 4-hour charts, and I had mixed results, but I was talking with a few people on Discord, and anyway, I was talking with a few people who are still making good profits only on the 4-hour charts, and the entry model was almost the same what I do now, so it was okay. I think Mary is absolutely a female. She is a female. Marshall, hey. For Apex, we still have until, yes, you have the everybody who bought big accounts with Apex, or you can still buy it. You have time until the middle of August, but I would imagine that maybe Apex comes out like extending the date like they did 2 times before. So you have time until the middle of August to pass the big accounts for the $85 lifetime activation fee. So if you pass the 150K and bigger accounts until the middle of August, until the 15th, you can get a lifetime $85 activation fee. But if I have to bet, I would say that Apex may come out with one more extension until the end of August, maybe. You know, until the end of the summer or whatever. They're going to come out with one more extension. I think so. That would be a good business idea for them, I think. So there you go. And now we return to that liquidity void. So see you later, apps. Thank you for joining and be safe, you know. All right. So, by the way, whatever you hear or say about Apex, Apex is not going to go anywhere in the near future. They're going to stay. They're making tons of money. And yes, people are getting denied. Also, a lot of people getting approved. I might get denied. I don't know. I DCA'd on my funded accounts only once, but I saved everything. I did the screenshot. I recorded everything, the logs, everything. So I had one DCA incident. But I do know people who were DCAing multiple times on their funded accounts since the new rule, and they got approved for payout. So obviously, I don't know, but even if I'm going to get denied, I'm going to keep on trading with the funded accounts and try to be more careful with the rules. But anyway. So let's see what it wants to do. By the way, if you're a brand new customer with My Funded Futures, I think there's a welcome bonus if you register through my link, and you're gonna get your first starter account for 50 bucks. Not sure, but I think it's still on. I cannot confirm it, but last time it worked for someone as a new customer, and he got the account for only 50 bucks. 2K on the way. You got approved, Trader Monk? DCA is allowed one time. Yeah, I DCA and was paid on Apex. There you go, Kevin. Congratulations, Trader Monk. 2K on the way. Call Akidak. DCAing is basically dollar cost averaging. I'm gonna explain it in the most simple way. You start to buy here. You want to go long, and your trade goes against you, right? So you're in a drawdown. You keep on adding more buy positions to your trade. The market still keeps going against you. You keep adding more, and you just keep adding more, and you exit somewhere, most likely down here, because you know you average it out and you exit down here. Now this strategy is called dollar cost averaging out a position, which is a so-called strategy to make money, but it's obviously super dangerous because this is like catching a falling knife. You never know how far this trade is going to drop. If we are lucky, obviously I'm not saying there are a lot of people are making money like this, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but Apex decided to deny traders who are only making profit like this, like DCAing into a trade and exiting like this. What can I do? Or what can we do? So if you do this and you always make profit like this, you're most likely going to get denied for a payout. Your account is still going to be, you're not going to close the account, but for that current period, you're not going to get a payout. Now what Apex did is they allow you to add once more to your positions. So if you're in drawdown, you're allowed to add once to your drawdown, and that's it. If you add more than once, that will be considered DCAing. That's all. basically. That's the simplest way to put it. That's the simplest way to put it, but you know. Sorry, quick text message. Yeah, yesterday Apex sent me email for my bank details. Nice, they're using Plane. Oh yes, they're using Plane for it. Congratulations, Trader Monk. That is nice. I used a DC in losing positions a few years ago, and I used to get wrecked. Hit stop loss eventually. Now I will only add positions to a winning trade. As a professional trade once told me, why add to a losing trade? But you know, eventually I see like professional traders or so-called professional traders, they keep adding to winning trades. And I always say like okay, adding to winning trades is great, but you still, you know, you're adding more risk to the table, right? Or maybe if you keep adding to your winning trade, you should be pulling your stop loss closer, right? You should be trailing your stop. That is something that the way you should do things, right? It can be more than the original entry. So if you enter with 2 contracts, you DC can no more than, yeah, that's true, Kevin. So if you entered with, let it be minis or micros. So if you entered with 5 micros, you can enter another 5 micros, but you cannot enter another 10 micros or 20 micros or 30 micros for the second time. So anyway, you can add the same amount of contracts once more to your existing positions. You think Apex is in trouble with paying? No, they're not. Erkan, they're absolutely not in trouble. In reality, you can request one-time amount with their 2-time payouts window and 2 weeks approval time. And yeah, in reality, you're most likely going to get 1 payout per 1 month. Guys, Apex has no trouble, at least not yet, and they have absolutely no trouble paying out these people or anybody in such. I mean, even though they burned themselves with the new rules, but I think it was a business decision, absolutely, to protect their capital. Apex has no financial issues. I know everybody's spreading FUD over internet everywhere, spreading FUD. Guys, Apex is absolute financially, is definitely, they're paying out so much money, so don't worry about that. Apex keeps paying out people. So I know there are some guys who got huge payouts recently as well. Anyway. Of course, there are some things they should be doing differently or better, but these small time frames pay, man. There is no need for micros. Just take strategy 2 small time frames to withdraw, then use normal time frames on our own funds. Yeah, that, you know, that works out. Absolutely, Komodo. Look at the interest Apex must be making by taking their time on. Look at that interest Apex must be. Making by taking time. Yeah, maybe, but I think, you know, they're still having so many failed accounts because that's how the business model works. And they have so many traders across the globe that they're just killing banks. Killing bank. Anyway, thanks. I wish everybody the same. Yeah, Trader Monk, I'm a little bit, fingers crossed for me because I'm still a little bit nervous if I'm going to get approved or not. But if not, obviously I'm going to keep on trading. Congo, good morning. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Well, hopefully. I'm gonna actually check it out. I haven't checked it since I think yesterday morning London session. I checked on it, but let's see. It's still pending. But I'm not expecting anything. So as of those things that you guys told me, I'm not expecting an answer from them for another 2 weeks at least. So I'm not expecting any answer. The new rules have their right to exist. As an example is Alpine, who's yellowed 8 funded accounts after removing stop loss. Yeah. Yeah, so Alpine got denied, by the way. He also got paid out, but he also got denied too, and he has a huge following, and you know. It's Trading Star, what up? Good to see you. What is happening? Trying to look for some trades here, but I don't know if this one, you know, this fair value gap is holding price so far. I'm just not sure if it wants to break. So if it breaks higher than 49, I'm gonna actually put a line here. If it breaks high, oh, this is not the one I was looking for. If it breaks, what the hell is wrong with this? Okay, if it breaks higher than this level, which is 49.25, I'm gonna be looking for this high at 81. I just don't know if I should jump into a short here. It feels like that it has taken out Asia. It might go up and, you know, sweep some liquidity up there again from relative equal highs. 50% retracement level of this drop. Who knows? We have some nice candles up there. I'm actually tempted to go long. Mine was July 17th and approved. There you go. So I'm going to be waiting for at least 2 weeks for an answer. Oh, Slade, welcome. This indicator is super awesome. It's from Lux Algo. Lux Algo. How do they say Lux Algo? That's the name. Lux Algo fair value gap. If you just type in fair value gap, you're gonna find the one with Lux Algo. Super useful. One of the best indicators I found. I think, I don't even know who said it. Somebody told me on the chat to find this, and this is a gem. This is a free indicator. It's a true gem. Super easy and really helps me a lot, saves a lot of energy to draw these fair value gaps. I love how Alpine went through his entire income, but said the affiliate earnings were. DCA. Do not disclose. What? He told you how much he makes with in affiliate earnings. NDA'd, do not disclosed. He's NDA'd for the affiliate earnings. Does he have an exclusive deal from Apex? I think he does, right? He might be having an exclusive deal. I'm not sure. I was actually thinking to apply for exclusive deal to Top Step, but I don't think I will do it. My affiliate code or link is going to expire on the 23rd of this month, and Apex also, I mean, they're going to remove everybody, almost everybody, from the affiliate program. Looks cool. Yeah, you have to check it out, Slade. Good morning, Sophian. NDA for affiliate. Okay, so he must be having an exclusive deal, I think, from Apex. I'm guessing he's not getting the usual rate. He's getting a higher rate after the signups, or he's getting a fix fee on a monthly basis plus the commissions. I don't know. ICT kill zones plus pivot useful too. Recommended. I think I have it in my favorites somewhere. ICT kill zone. I have it here. ICT kill zones plus pivots. I have a few of these. I have to sort some of these out because at least 70% of this I'm not going to use ever. I just left it here, but I have these ICT kills, and look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 ICT. One, there's 4 indicators ICT kills on. I'm gonna have to check out which one is the best. Ashev's used it. All right, Tom, have you heard of precision funding? Yes, I heard about them, but I don't know anything about them. Oh yeah, a few weeks ago, some of you guys might have been here. A few weeks ago, Precision Funding's YouTube channel dropped $10 in the super chat. Yes, they were having a 90% sale, and I guess they were trying to, you know, make themselves known at a few influencers or traders live, and the Precision Funding YouTube channel came into the chat and dropped $10 in super chat. Otherwise, it was nice of them, but I didn't really look into their offers yet. But I don't know too much about them. What up with your accounts, Slade Gorman? $10 cheap. No, that was the they just dropped in $10 for the super chat. You know. I mean, yeah, I get it, cheap. No, they were cool. It was very nice of them. Drop by and said hello, and you know. So maybe I should be applying for exclusive partnership with precision trading. Who knows? Or precision funding. Oh, super chat is if you would like to support any streamer who has super chat down there, I think it's down there somewhere. You don't have to, but if you would like to support your streamer, you can send donation. It's basically a donation. It's a donation. You can send any amount, and you're gonna be highlighted as a donation. And that's it. Oh, look at this. We might be trading higher than 49 now, right now. My new account sitting pretty right now. Good. Let's go. I would stream, but my streaming software is messed up. Oh. Let's fix that, Slade. I will now buy 5 times with Top Step and only concentrate. Erkan, if you buy 5 times 50, please, if you click on my link before you purchase, that will give some credit to the channel. Thank you. Hey, Dark Cloud. No way. Thank you so much. Let me give you an applause. Thank you so much for the donation. Now that's a super chat. I had to turn off the volume now. I had to turn off the volume because it's copyright protected. There's a song in my OBS scene which is copyright protected, but I'm gonna change that song. But thank you so much, Star Cloud. You shouldn't have to. You are awesome. Thanks, man. That was great. Look at that. We're spiking higher. I'm actually a little bit tempted to take this. Hey, dude, you shouldn't have done that. Dark Cloud, I appreciate that so much, and you are awesome. Thank you very much for the support. What can I say? You are great. I'm gonna take along with micros here. 2 micros. All right, I jumped into a long position with 2 micros. Let's see how it goes. Thank you again. I want to see this pop higher. It might just go down, who knows. So this was the volume injection right now. It might want to push it, but maybe it was just a liquidity sweep and then go lower. Hey, fair value gap and boom. Yeah, I took that trade with Mamba long from 96. Guys, what the hell? Erkan, Apex is on her scam list as well, since they started all their requests and requirements. Oh, I see. What? Simon, dude. Simon, you shouldn't have done this, man. 20 pounds. That's huge, man. Thank you so much. I gave you the applause because the music, when it comes in with the alert, it's copyright protected. There you go. Simon, you shouldn't have done this. Thank you so much for the support. Simon, you're awesome. You guys are awesome, both of you. Dark Clouds and everybody. Thank you. Simon owns one prop for double the size of Precision. Oh, he does. Simon, I can sign to you as an exclusive affiliate if you. Thank you again, Simon. I think I'm in a drawdown, by the way. I'm in a drawdown. Yes, I am. Oh shit. I'm in a drawdown. Only 2 micros, but this doesn't look good. I thought we were gonna pop higher, but I might just gonna close it manually. I don't even have a take profit on this yet because it might just gonna stop here. Thank you again, guys, for the support. That would be 82 up there. 82. I would be aiming for the 80-ish area. I thought that we're gonna go for it, but it's not gonna go for it. I have to close it. I'm gonna have to close it. Oh man. That's if it starts to push back up here, I'm gonna move my stop to 707. I'm saying because he donated double the amount of precision. What? Oh. ask for likes. I'm sometimes I ask for likes, and you guys are always welcome to push the like button and subscribe. We're getting closer to 2,800. But you know. First class streaming, thank you, Simon. I mean, I know I'm not as much as I'm not much of an entertainer. I know that many times I just sit here like you know, staring at the screen, but you know, trading is super lonely. And what can I say? Trading is usually super lonely, and while we're waiting for the setup, there's nothing to do. It seems like my setup is gonna screw me over here, but no worries, I'm not gonna lose faith. All right, it's gonna go lower. Almost took me out already. That's why I only entered with small position. All right. All right. Yeah, I'm closing it. It's gonna go lower. On to the next one. You know how it is. On to the next one. Small liquidity void there. Okay, this would have taken me out. And bullish order block. Whoa. Schwarm 12. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Glad you're here. Come on, dance a little bit and do a little bit of entertainment. I can dance, but only on my OnlyFans page, guys. I can only do it on my OnlyFans page. That's how I do it. Only on OnlyFans. In the penguin suit. I know. We like to joke around here. Are we? Naughty, naughty. Everybody, let's get naughty. Anyway. It is what it is. It took me out. Moving to the next trade. You know, the market does what it wants to do. There's no way around it. Money, 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 money. That's the song, what it's called, I don't know. So that's a little bit crazy. Like, it went down there and now it just wants to go back up. What is this? What is this? Does it really want to? I mean, Nasdaq, do you really want to play this game with me? Do you really? I can play this game. I can. I don't think I want to go. Do I want to go crazy? As Batman, Michael Keaton said, "You want to get nuts? Let's get nuts." All right, I got into the trade again with micros. I swear to you guys, this is gonna go down again. I'm gonna go and just close it with a small loss. This is not even my entry, man. What am I doing? I'm closing it. This is not even my entry. I'm sorry, guys. Please pretend I didn't do that, alright? Later, we're gonna cut the VOD and we're gonna cut out this 30-second segment, alright? Pretend I didn't open a trade. That's it. I didn't do anything, alright? I'm still in a slight profit. I did not open a trade. That never happened. Okay, if it goes up, nobody knows anything. I didn't do anything. All right. That's something definitely we don't want to see. Thank you. There are sharks in the water. Oh yeah, there are. Dark cloud. There you go. Okay, so I didn't do anything. You saw nothing. All right. You saw nothing, guys. Yeah, that's it. Nothing happened. Pretend I didn't push anything. That small little loss, we're all gonna act like it never happened. All right. I didn't do nothing. In this area, we shouldn't do anything anyways. You know, I just don't trust this anyway. This 1 minute just, you know, took out buy side, sell side, and now I just have no idea what it does. So, just gonna wait. Let's just keep on waiting. And I'm gonna have to check on my time schedule because I have some places to go this morning. So I have some stuff I have to do. I'm waiting till we get above the VWAP for long now. Don't like this range. Yeah, this yeah, that's why I don't know why I got caught. Yeah, nothing happened. So that's why I did not take any trade in this range. I'm just waiting. And still, if you look at the higher time frames like 15 minutes and 1 hour, you know, we see that 18,500 down there. I feel like this one can just go down. If it closes below 93, then it could be a continuation of the actually. And look down here. It's like that level is also interesting down there. Yeah, it's it did a seek and destroy and then narrowing down. I feel like we should be having a break in some direction. Now, also don't forget that after around 5 or 6 a.m., I think the market is gonna get flat. Like it's gonna get unplugged. Everything's gonna go flat. Everybody, the closer we get to the NFP number, everybody's just gonna wait, and there should not be any major moves. We still have a little bit of time from the so-called kill zone. If they want to send it somewhere, I think the only place, now that I look at the bigger picture, if I zoom out, take in here, they might want to send it lower, you know, and if the number is going to be good, you know, they can absolutely just send it to the moon. So why not take out some more longs here, you know, squeeze out the longs lower than 640. So we'll see. What is happening? Look at that. Could be the start of a short. Who knows? Let's just gonna wait a little bit. If it really wants to go, then it might go, but we don't know. RP, yo, hello, welcome to the stream. What's going on? Welcome, welcome. Thank you for being here. Good to see you. How's it going? Sofian, yeah, it's absolutely ranging. The only thing I'm waiting for is maybe to break lower from 692 and then, you know, 692 and then lower. We'll see. Oh, I ran out of coffee. Whoa. I can't pronounce the name, but thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're almost to 2800. Thank you guys. This is super awesome. This is super awesome. Look at that. It's going. All right. It's going. I'm gonna go a little bit aggressive. All right. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't care. I took a short with micros. I want to see this go down to 63. Actually, I'm gonna be fine with 65. So let me show you. There. All right. Sold 3 micros. Keeping the rest. Trying to get back the losses, you know, from earlier on this account. At least I scalp 3 micros. You know, I take $60 anytime on this one, but I'd like to think that it wants to go lower, all the way down to 65 at least. If it starts to move, I'm gonna move my stop to break even, hopefully. I think you guys, yeah, you guys can see the account right here. It's still the one I'm trading on. This is just an evaluation, but anyway. Oh no, it's gonna take me out. By the way, this is a bearish order block. Not a perfect one by far, but uh-oh, it's gonna take me out. Come on, order block. Do your thing. Send it lower. Okay, there you go. Order block taken. Now let's go. Awesome. Order block taken. Go down. Come on, order block. Come on. We also have a fair value gap. We have everything. It's only 2 micros, so I don't really care too much. If it trades below 79, I'm just gonna move my stop. Let's go. If I zoom it out, it's much more stressful, right? If I zoom this one out like this, it feels much more stressful. Like, it moves really fast if I zoom it out. You're sure too? Also bullish unicorn. Quantum force. Bullish unicorn. Oh yeah. Oh, where? This? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe this one. Anyway, I might gonna get stopped out. It seems like it's just holding this level. If it breaks lower than 83, the previous candle, that would be great. Just trade lower. Come on, you need to trade lower. You need to go lower. Come on, man. Actually, bearish unicorn. Well, we have an order block. We have a fair value gap. We have displacement. All right, that's it. It's a free trade now. If it takes me out, let it be. 65 is a good number. I think my stop loss is tight, by the way. I should have my stop loss. You know what? For the stream, I'm gonna put it right there. Even if I get taken out, it's fine because I already took partials on this, so for the stream, because it's so close, you know, it can obviously wick up there, and my stop was very tight. It's still tight, so well, let's see. The market does its thing. You see, it's repricing. The 30-second is repricing. The 1 minute still looks good. 30-second looks good. It should be going down to 62, by the way. At least down to below 62.75 is what I think. Target 625. Oh. Institutional order flow entry drill on the 1 minute chart. 419. So my stop is in good place, because if this is an institutional order flow entry drill, then it should not trade above 99.50. It actually repriced this 1 minute gap. This is why I love this indicator. This is such a good indicator. Repriced this gap, and now hopefully heading lower, and it should be institutional order flow. Should be. If it is, then it should not go higher than 699. But let me know. Let me know what you guys think. If this is going to take out my stop, I have to write an email to ICT and explain and demand an explanation. I wonder how he does with Robin's Cup, by the way. Too much quiet nowadays. Look at that. If this is an institutional order flow entry drill, it should not trade above the 700s. It can spike higher a bit, but oh no. Oh no. 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 Please. Spare me. Nasdaq. You can't do this with me. You can't. Just don't do this, please. Please don't do this. Please, please. Please, 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 please. Don't. 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 Nasdaq, please. Please spare me. The tension is high. I know, man. I'm afraid. I'm scared. Spare me, Nasdaq, please. Please, Nasdaq, spare me once more. Just this one trade. Let's prove that the ICT concepts are working. Let's prove to the market and to the viewers that the ICT concepts are a real thing. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on. I know you want to go down. Please. That's it. NQ has no mercy, guys. NQ has absolutely no mercy. Oh, man. What can I say? We tried. I know he does. Let me. It's now going higher. Yeah, it did. Robert the Macedonian. Hey, what's going on? Go spike. Stop. Yeah, it spiked me out. All right. I take her stop, but it goes lower ultimately. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I tried it. Hashtag for the stream. You know, for the stream. Entertainment purposes. You know, obviously. But hey, the account is still in profit. If you check it out, it's still in profit. Oh, Aaron, thank you so much. Thank you for the donation. You are awesome. Let me give you an applause before the music comes in. Thank you so much, Aaron. This much appreciated. Thank you, man. Thank you. You shouldn't have. That was a good show. So damn bearish. Still makes moves like this. Yeah, it is. Thank you again for the donation. You guys are really awesome. See money, take money. I did some partials there. I don't know why. Streamlabs is delaying with the alerts. I don't know why is that. But there should be the alert coming up soon. Aaron, thank you so much. Long 702. There you go. Thank you for the dono. I'm honored. Thank you. I went twice long. Got my stop loss. Now she goes. Yeah. It might gonna go all the way up there to the 781s. Anyway, guys, I unfortunately I would love to be here with you guys, but I just have to go because I have some schedule. Aaron, thank you so much. You are awesome. Welcome. And you guys are great. I had a really good session. This was fun. This was good. Be careful in the NFP report. Okay, I have to go because I have some scheduled things to do. So this is a short stream now, but thank you, everybody. And if you would like to support the stream, use my codes. Tom Sabo works everywhere. Bulenox, Take Profit Trader, Apex, My Funded Futures. Go check it out. Fast Track Trading, you still have everything. The links, if you purchase anything from Top Step, click on my link. Thank you, guys. You are awesome. I'll be back. I'm not sure if I'm going to be here in New York session. Depends on if I finish with the things I have to do. I'm going to be on a wedding tonight. So, thank you, everybody. Be safe. It's NFP. Don't risk it for the biscuit. Just stay safe. All right. See you, everybody. Have a good day or weekend if I don't see you. All right. Cheers.